good, people? Thank you for turning back to my channel. I hope you're well and I hope you're safe. Oh, spud me, Bluetooth. Right, so today's video, I'm doing another unboxing. Now, with this one, I'm quite excited because Armaf, they are from the Middle East. My knowledge of fragrances that come from the Middle East are more in your face. Let me stop babbling on. Here's the box. Club de Nuit, man. Straight away, you can see a nice little rhinestone. Yeah, look at that bad boy, all right? So Armaf, they've got the name at the top, a rhinestone at the front, nothing at the back, little logo and sterling perfumes. But yeah, all I know is that this is Armaf. The brand is Club de Nuit and this is the man. They've got Club de Nuit Urban, Intense and Silage. That's all I know about them. I want to review the Intense. I've heard a few things about that, so that'll be a good one to review with you guys. But in the meantime, we're gonna open this one today. Oh, before I start, I've noticed that a lot of unboxing channels have some kind of unboxing tool. They've got Rambos, mini Rambos, and all sorts of stuff. So my unboxing tool is the Ted Nizer Heigenschläger. Yeah, soak it in. Yeah, this is my thing, bruv. But this is my unboxing tool. This is it. Right. So where we're gonna cut this? Yeah, I like to cut things from the bottom. Oh, before I forget, the ingredients. So the top note, you're gonna get apple, bergamot, blackcurrant, lemon, and pineapple. So it's gonna be quite fruity. Or the top note. Then the middle note, you're gonna get rose, birch, and jasmine. And then the body, the base, is gonna be musk, patchouli, vanilla, and ambergris. Anyway, let's get into what we're here for, the unboxing. So let me take some time, open this bad boy. Be careful, Heigenschläger. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So there we have it. That's the box, fresh out the box. This one's black, I can see that, it's black. All right, yep, fingerprints all over the box already, but we don't care about that. The rhinestone's still in place though, so impressive. Right, so let's go. Okay, so straight away they give you a little certificate. Club de Nuit, oh, okay, so look. So there you go, there's the Silage, there's the Intense. So there's the ones I was talking about. Oh, they've got more. So they've got a milestone and they've got a woman. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, they put a little certificate in there. All right, to show that you're somewhat, put this there, to show that you guys are big boys, yeah? All right. So I don't know if you can see, straight away, they've, on the box again, I like attention to detail. So, you know, they've got the logo there, and I've even got the logo right here. So I like that. But there it is. Straight away, you can see two rhinestones. So yeah, that's the box. That's what's in it. And here's the finished, oh, I thought I moved. There's the finished product. I'm gonna say that this is a swanky little bottle, man. So they've put the Club de Nuit on the side. It's rocking a chain. It's got a bit of diamond on it, a rhinestone, so we can call it a bust down, yeah? You've got a bust down lid as well. Hold on, it just screwed on. Oh, okay, about to say what? Okay, rubs off. So yeah, this is it. Okay, I like that. Again, attention to detail. So on the spray head, or the atomizer, but for the purpose of the video, the spray head, it's got the manufacturer's logo. If you can see that, yeah. And there's the lid. You got anything on the inside? Nah. Oh no, there is. 100%, there's nothing on the inside. So yeah, this is it. It's a nice bottle. It's a very nice bottle. I mean, yeah, it looks nice. So let's test the spray head. Oh, that's how you can check that this is fresh. Yeah, it's more of a spritz. It's a normal spray there. Okay. That's strong. It's very strong, but it's nice. I can already tell that this is gonna last all day. Okay, so that's the Armaf Club Do Nuit, man. Yeah, man, that smells nice, strong. So I will do a review on this one later on, but I just wanted to share this unboxing. So thank you again for tuning in. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you've learned something, and I'll be back. So continue to like, subscribe, and comment. So I've been your host, Teddy Know How, aka Tednovsky, the Black Russian. And please always remember, you'll learn nothing if you think that you know everything. Peace.